Hey everybody, that's just me showing my appreciation and love to Microsoft PowerPoint, who never ceases to amaze me. If you are an instructional designer, if you are a trainer, if you are a teacher or instructor, if you are a PowerPoint user just looking to spice up your slides, then you are going to love the fact that PowerPoint has characters in them. If you are familiar with characters, you know that they come with programs like Adobe Captivate and iSpring Suite, which are popular tools in the training and development community, but cost a lot of money. So the fact that PowerPoint has characters is pretty darn amazing. In this video, I'm going to show you where to find characters in PowerPoint, how to insert characters, and give you a couple of examples of how I use characters in my teaching and training and development. Adding characters or cutout people to your PowerPoint is super easy. I think the only thing that has inhibited people from using this feature is that it is a little hidden. In fact, I only discovered this recently. I'm going to assume that you know how to navigate PowerPoint, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and I will attend to them. So it's super easy. Let's say that you are on this slide and you want to add a cutout person. Go to Insert, go to Pictures, choose Stock Images. You're going to have a lot of options. In this case, we're going to use Cutout People. I love that Microsoft includes a variety of characters, ethnicities, genders, abilities, and so forth. You can, of course, search by typing in something like thinking and get an image of people thinking. You can also look at specific characters and use these characters across your deck. For example, let's go ahead and choose somebody like Noah, and let's go ahead and use this one. Now what's nice is PowerPoint might even offer you some suggestions. So if you want to do like an extreme close-up or a close-up, you could do that. Of course, you're going to want to add some dialogue. You type directly on the slide, or you could add something like a speech bubble to do that. Go to Insert, Shapes, dial down to Callouts. Let's go ahead and choose that one. Of course, you can format it however you want. Add some kind of dialogue. Perhaps make it a little bigger, and there you have it. Of course, you can adjust however you want for aesthetics. Of course, on a slide, you might want more than two people. Again, just to illustrate, go to Insert, Pictures, Stock Images, Cutout People, and let's say that we want this and this one. We're going to insert those together. Of course, there might be some options for you. I don't want those right now, and I can just drag them. Make them, of course, the equivalent size. And again, you can add some kind of dialogue, like maybe they're getting some terrible news or something like that. Now, of course, you could add some other features like interactions for an LMS. If you are interested in this, leave a comment. I'm happy to create a video on that. However, I will show you how I have actually used this in some training contexts, particularly with my students in a classroom where they create dialogue. So what I generally do, and again, if you want me to describe this activity or talk about other activities or what makes good dialogue, leave a comment and I will get ideas of what you all are looking for as I produce future videos. So I just had created a dialogue simulation activity for a case studies class I was teaching. I provide the instructions for students in the deck, and then I usually provide some kind of characters, the characters that they will use, which they can actually just copy and paste from. And you will see on the deck that I provide them, I don't have it actually designed so nicely. Of course, I break down the instructions of the activity all in one deck. This makes it super easy if you're doing an online class. You can actually divide students into separate groups. And what you do is you give each of them their own deck. So let me show you one of the student groups. This is a deck from a student group. When I gave them the slides, this was actually looking a little prettier. But you can see that I have for them a variety of characters, and then down below, I again provide them the instructions, and then they actually do the activity. If you would again like to see me explain this activity or provide other ideas, happy to do that. Just leave comments and we'll definitely attend to that in future videos. But you can see the students created a dialogue scenario very simply. They were building this as a dialogue from a case to provide some kind of instruction so they could show me their understanding of certain communication theories in practice. It was a really great activity, In any case, I wouldn't have been able to do that without these cutout people, so I'm super happy that Microsoft actually includes these now in PowerPoint. That's Microsoft Characters, and if you found this video useful, go ahead and like it, as well as consider subscribing to the channel. I post videos regularly aimed at improving the efficiency and effectiveness of professionals' workflow from a communication point of view. So if you're interested in improving your communication competency, I hope to see you in the next video.